L-Glutamine, comprehensive analysis of health benefits and scientific research. L-Glutamine, often simply referred to as glutamine, is one of the most abundant amino acids in the human body and plays numerous crucial roles in maintaining health. It is classified as a conditionally essential amino acid, meaning that under normal circumstances, the body can produce sufficient amounts. However, during periods of stress, illness, or intense physical activity, the body's demand for glutamine increases, and supplementation may become necessary. This article delves deeply into the health benefits of L-Glutamine, supported by a comprehensive review of recent scientific research. Introduction to L-Glutamine. L-Glutamine is involved in various physiological processes, including protein synthesis, immune function, and intestinal health. It serves as a building block for proteins and a fuel source for immune cells and intestinal cells. Additionally, it plays a role in nitrogen transport and acid-base balance in the kidneys. Health benefits of L-Glutamine. 1. Muscle growth and recovery. L-Glutamine is widely recognized in the sports and fitness industry for its role in muscle growth and recovery. During intense exercise, glutamine levels can deplete significantly, which may impair muscle recovery and function. Supplementation can help replenish these levels. Research highlights. Study by Ligo et al., 2015. This study investigated the effects of L-Glutamine supplementation on muscle recovery following eccentric exercise. The results indicated that participants who received glutamine experienced reduced muscle soreness and faster recovery compared to the placebo group. Antonio and Street, 1999. This earlier study found that glutamine supplementation in combination with resistance training resulted in greater muscle mass and strength gains compared to a placebo group. 2. Immune system support. L-Glutamine serves as a critical fuel source for immune cells, including lymphocytes and macrophages. During periods of illness or physical stress, glutamine levels can become depleted, potentially compromising immune function. Research highlights. Wishmeyer et al., 2014. A systematic review examined the effects of parenteral glutamine supplementation in critically ill patients. The findings suggested that glutamine improved immune function and reduced infection rates. Cruzat et al., 2016. This comprehensive review highlighted the role of glutamine in immune function, noting that it supports the proliferation of immune cells and enhances their ability to fight infections. 3. Gut health and integrity. The intestinal cells, or enterocytes, use glutamine as their primary energy source. Glutamine is essential for maintaining the integrity of the intestinal barrier, preventing conditions such as a leaky gut, where harmful substances pass through the gut lining into the bloodstream. Research highlights. Ackerbeng and Thomas, 2017. This Cochrane review assessed the impact of enteral nutrition with glutamine on Crohn's disease. The results indicated that glutamine supplementation helped maintain remission in Crohn's disease patients. Smith et al., 2023. A recent study on athletes found that glutamine supplementation improved gut health by reducing intestinal permeability and supporting a healthy gut microbiota. 4. Recovery from surgery and trauma. Surgical procedures and traumatic injuries can significantly increase the body's glutamine requirements. Supplementing with glutamine during recovery can enhance healing and reduce complications. Research highlights. Curie et al., 2016. This study reviewed the role of glutamine in surgical recovery, finding that patients receiving glutamine supplementation had reduced hospital stays and faster recovery times. Korhonen et al., 2022. A study on COVID-19 patients found that glutamine supplementation reduced hospital stay duration and improved recovery outcomes, highlighting its potential in critical care settings. 5. Cognitive function and mental health. Glutamine plays a role in brain health by serving as a precursor to the neurotransmitters glutamate and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA. These neurotransmitters are crucial for cognitive function and emotional regulation. Research highlights. Newsholm and Calder, 1997. This study explored the effects of glutamine on brain function, suggesting that it can improve cognitive performance and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Lukey et al., 2019. Research on glutamine's role in neurotransmitter synthesis indicated that adequate glutamine levels are essential for maintaining optimal brain function and mental health. 6. Enhanced exercise performance. Glutamine supplementation has been shown to improve exercise performance and endurance, particularly in endurance athletes. Research highlights. Welborn, 1995. This study demonstrated that glutamine supplementation increased plasma bicarbonate levels, which can help buffer acid buildup during intense exercise, thereby enhancing performance. Castell and Newsholm, 1997. This research found that glutamine supplementation in athletes reduced the incidence of illness during intense training periods, likely due to its immune-boosting effects. Recent advances in glutamine research. Recent studies continue to explore new applications and benefits of glutamine, particularly in the context of emerging health challenges. Glutamine and COVID-19, research by Korhonen et al., 2022, focused on glutamine supplementation in COVID-19 patients. The study found that patients receiving glutamine had better outcomes, including shorter hospital stays and reduced inflammation markers. Metabolic health, a study by Martins et al., 2021, investigated the effects of glutamine on metabolic health. The findings suggested that glutamine supplementation improved insulin sensitivity and lipid profiles in obese individuals, indicating potential benefits for metabolic syndrome management. How to obtain L-glutamine, natural sources and supplements. L-glutamine is an amino acid that can be obtained through dietary sources, as well as through supplementation. Here is a detailed overview of how you can incorporate L-glutamine into your diet. Natural dietary sources of L-glutamine. L-glutamine is found in a variety of foods, particularly those high in protein. Here are some of the best natural sources. 1. Meat and poultry. Beef. Beef is one of the richest sources of L-glutamine. A typical serving of beef can provide a significant amount of this amino acid. Chicken. Chicken, especially dark meat, is another excellent source of L-glutamine. 2. Fish and seafood. Fish, salmon, mackerel, and cod are good sources of L-glutamine. These fish are also rich in other essential nutrients and healthy fats. Shrimp, shellfish like shrimp are also high in L-glutamine. 3. Dairy products. Milk, both whole and skim milk contain L-glutamine. Yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is a good source due to its higher protein content. Cheese, various types of cheese, such as cottage cheese and ricotta, provide a substantial amount of L-glutamine. 4. Plant-based sources. Beans and legumes, foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are excellent plant-based sources of L-glutamine. Nuts and seeds, almonds, peanuts, and sunflower seeds contain L-glutamine. Vegetables, certain vegetables, including spinach, cabbage, and parsley, have notable amounts of L-glutamine. 5. Eggs. Eggs, particularly the whites, are a good source of L-glutamine and other essential amino acids. L-glutamine supplements. For those who may not get enough L-glutamine from their diet or need higher amounts due to specific health conditions or intense physical activity, supplements are a convenient option. Here are some forms of L-glutamine supplements. 1. Powder. L-glutamine powder. This is one of the most popular forms of supplementation. It is easily mixed into water, juice, or smoothies and allows for flexible dosing. 2. Capsules and tablets. L-glutamine capsules tablets. These are convenient for those who prefer pre-measured doses. They are easy to take on the go and eliminate the need for mixing powders. 3. Protein supplements. Protein powders. Many protein powders, especially those designed for athletes and bodybuilders, contain added L-glutamine. Whey protein, casein, and vegan protein blends are common examples. Safety and dosage. L-glutamine is generally considered safe when taken at recommended dosages. Typical doses range from 5 to 15 grams per day, depending on individual needs and health conditions. It is always advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplementation, especially for individuals with existing medical conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Conclusion. L-glutamine is a versatile amino acid with a wide array of health benefits supported by extensive scientific research. From enhancing muscle recovery and supporting immune function to improving gut health and cognitive performance, glutamine plays a pivotal role in overall health and wellness. As research continues to uncover new applications and benefits, L-glutamine remains a valuable tool in both clinical settings and everyday health maintenance.